Happy Tech Tip Tuesday to y'all. Ryan here from Hoskins Equipment. Just got something in my eye in the middle of that video. Okay, here we go. Doctor's in the house, and this week we're gonna be going over the scissor lift deck extension. Some of you guys don't even know that the deck extension goes out, and I've had some questions about that. So I'll just give you one example of one machine, how to do it. And then again, each machine, each manufacturer has its own instructions, and check it out. But it's a pretty cool option, and it helps you get in some situations or get into positions and spots on the job site, which otherwise you may have not known you could do. So I'll show you next clip. Okay, we're gonna go up on the scissor lift here. 3 points of contact to enter. Swing open your door. Make sure it's closed behind you. This deck can slide out. On this particular machine, foot here, push. There's one position if you want to do a little bit, like halfway. This one, you go all the way out. Lock it in, and then you go out on your deck extension. Reverse, push down the foot, slide it back in. Now each manufacturer and each machine has its own little tricks and trips, so to speak. Just review your operator's manual to make sure you have the right procedure to tick out your deck extension. I hope this week's tech tip, putting out this deck extension that way, will help out you and your team get to those spots that you may or not be able to reach. Well, now hopefully you can reach them without having that deck extension out there. So it gives you guys a little bit more extra space. Thank you very much for liking, subscribing, supporting this channel. Let me know how you or anyone on my team can help you guys out. Have an amazing rest of your week.